Hey, future nurses. Struggling to wrap your head around healthcare cybersecurity training? Stick with me for the next few minutes because we're going to break it down fast, clear, and in a way that actually sticks. Cybersecurity might sound like a tech thing that has nothing to do with you at the bedside, but here's the truth. As a nurse, you're one of the biggest protectors of patient data. Let's make this click. So what exactly is healthcare cybersecurity training? Simply put, it's learning how to protect patient information from digital threats. Think of it as hand hygiene, but for data. Just like you wash your hands to stop the spread of germs, you follow cybersecurity habits to stop the spread of stolen or leaked information. This training teaches you how to spot threats, protect sensitive records, and respond the right way when something goes wrong. And the best part? The core ideas are easier than you think. Now, why should you care? Every single shift, you touch patient data. Charting in the EHR, checking lab results, sending updates to the care team. All of that information is protected by law, and hackers want it. Medical records are worth big money on the black market, way more than a stolen credit card. That makes hospitals a huge target. And when a breach happens, care slows down, systems go offline, and patients can be put at risk. You, the nurse, are the first line of defense. That's not scary, that's powerful. Let's hit the high-yield concepts you need to know. Number 1, phishing. Phishing is when someone tricks you into clicking a fake link or sharing your login. It usually comes as an email that looks real but feels a little off. Maybe it says, "Urgent, reset your password now." Quick memory trick. If it makes you panic and rush, pause. Real IT departments don't threaten you into clicking fast. Number 2, HIPAA and data protection. HIPAA is the law that keeps patient information private. Your job is to only access records you actually need for care. No peeking at a neighbor's chart. No sharing details in the elevator. If you don't need it to do your job, don't open it. Number 3, password security. Strong passwords are your lock and key. Use long, unique passwords, never share them, and never write them on a sticky note by the computer. And always log out when you step away. Number 4, safe device use. Phones, tablets, and workstations all hold patient data. Keep them locked. Avoid using personal apps to send patient information. And never plug in a random USB drive you found lying around. Number 5, reporting breaches. If you spot something suspicious, report it right away. A weird email, a lost device, an open chart on an unattended screen. Speaking up fast can stop a small problem from becoming a huge one. You will never get in trouble for reporting a concern the right way. Let's put this into real life. Picture this. You're mid-shift, and you get an email saying your hospital login expires in 10 minutes. It wants you to click and verify your credentials. Feeling that rush of panic? That's the red flag. You pause, you don't click, and you report it to IT. Boom, you just stopped a breach. Or maybe a coworker asks to borrow your login. Real quick? The answer is always no. Your credentials are tied to you and everything done under them. These small choices protect your patients and your license. Here are 5 things you can start doing right now. Lock your screen every single time you walk away. Slow down on emails. If it feels urgent or strange, verify before you click. Never share logins. Not with coworkers, not with anyone. Only access what you need. Stay in your lane on patient charts. Report anything odd. Fast reporting saves data and saves patients. Master these, and you're already ahead of the game. And that's healthcare cybersecurity training made simple. You now know what it is, why it matters, and how to protect your patients every shift. See? Not so scary after all. Want to go deeper and earn continuing education credits on healthcare cybersecurity and compliance? Head over to elitelearning.com. You'll find flexible, self-paced courses built for busy nurses, so you can keep growing your skills anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, future nurse. You've got this and we've got you. See you in the next one.